We have a brand new Tesla, so fully hybrid electric car. It's having our graphene coating. It's also having the glass done except for the front screen. Also it's having the wheels ceramic coated as well with the heat resistant to stop the brake dust sitting on the rims, so it makes it a lot easier to clean. So there's a big car. So it's going to make a couple of things. It's going to obviously make it really stand out, and two, it's going to make it a lot easier to obviously wash because it is a big old car. In. Well, that's so shiny. don't really need to show off much. Don't you? What, you mean we've done a car that looks even shinier than this? I'm not sure. I mean, this is the trouble, isn't it? You've got to try and put them together, but I mean, phew, that's pretty shiny, mate. Also, the weather's dull outside, so I'm not sure that helps. Okay, so we've got the end video on the Tesla. So it's had the graphene coating, and it's had the glass coating, and the wheels and the leather as well. So as you can see, it's looking lovely and shiny. So it's fully protected up. Ready for obviously the environments because it's brand new. The leather's also been coated with a ceramic coating to obviously stop colour transfer. So it's all ready to go out. It's definitely going to look nice. Unfortunately it is raining today, but I'm sure it will look very, very nice once it's out in the rain. Amazing.